Okay, Maglani, I'll be doing this thing with you. So then can you take us through the question?
The question says, consider the following triangle with the given dimensions.
Okay. So
And
then
then,
I'll continue.
and then we are given 3 triangles.
Okay.
And I'd like to identify the triangles.
Okay. Identify them.
ABC.
Inge?
Triangle ABC.
It's A, D, C. Okay, sure.
AB. ABC.
Okay. Okay. You have triangle ABC, ne? A, B, okay, C. Okay, sharp. Okay, let's make that to be let's highlight it. I think I'm enjoying using a highlighter these days. A, B, C. So it's like okay. Okay. Do you have any other triangle?
Yes.
Let's take out the ABC and the sides that we have. Okay, we have something like this.
Yes.
Okay, so here you have A here, ne? Here you have B, and then here you have C. Okay, here we have what? What is this side?
It's 10.
This one is 10.
10 units.
Okay, it's 10 units. Okay, it's fine. This one is what?
17 units.
Okay, this one is 17. And then do you have any angle?
Angle C, which is 35 degrees.
So this is 35 degrees, like this, ne?
Yes.
Okay. Not a problem.
Yes.
Can we also take we have yeah.
Triangle ABD.
A like this one, ABD, ne?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's take it out. So we have ABD. A, B, D. Okay, sure. What do you have then for ABD?
AB is 10 units and AD is also 10 units.
So this one, both of them are 10, 10. Do you know what is an angle here? Do you know any angle?
No.
You don't know the angle. Okay, sure. Any other triangle that you want to talk about here?
ADC.
And then you can see this one that I highlighted, it's orange and then it's also green. We call it the common side again.
Yes.
Okay, so you're saying we also have A, C, D like this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we have what? ADC. A, D, C. Okay, give me the information for this one. What do you have?
I have AD as 10 units.
Okay, this one is 10. This one?
AC as 17 units.
Okay, this one is 17. This one is?
Angle C as 35 degrees.
Okay, this one is 35 degrees. Ne? Okay, we identify our triangles. And then the first question says, calculate the size of angle A, D, C. Again, we're talking about this angle here. Ne?
Yes.
Okay. This angle here, it looks like it is an acute angle or an obtuse angle. To you, according to you, it looks like an obtuse.
It's an obtuse.
Okay. So how would you approach that one? Yeah? Where would you find this angle that they're talking about? Which triangle are you going to use?
Is it red or what? That
okay, maybe let's call it 1. Let's call this one 2, and then let's call this one 3. Which one should we use?
3.
Okay, number 3. Okay, if we use number 3, what do you want us to do?
I want us to use the sine rule.
You want us to use the sine rule, ne? Okay, if you're going to use the sine rule, let's name the sides then.
Yes.
This one is
Small letter D.
small letter D. This one is
Small. I can't see where you are pointing.
yeah.
Small letter C.
Okay, this one is small letter C. Okay, this one here.
Small letter A.
Small letter A. Okay.
Mm.
Now we are going to say what then if we're using the sine rule?
I'll start the sine of angle D because I'm looking for an angle.
Sine of angle D all over
Small letter D.
small letter D. Ne? Okay, this is going to be equal to
the sine of angle small letter C. Big capital letter C, sorry.
sine of capital letter C all over
Small letter C.
small letter C. Okay. What should I do next?
Substitute.
Okay, we should substitute. Ne? Okay, let's sub. So we have what? We have the sine of D ne? All over
yes 17
equals to
and the sine of 35
sine of 35
sine of 35
all over
yes all over 10
all over 10.
yes.
Okay, what should I do next?
Cross multiply.
Okay, we have the sine of D again, which is going to be 17
sine multiplied by the sine of 35
yeah
all over 10.
all over 10. Okay, so here if we do this in our calculator, let's check. We're supposed to do what? Let's also transpose the sign again, take it to this other side, and then it becomes an arc again.
Yes.
Yeah, so that when we type it, we avoid making mistakes. Okay, so we have sine arc again.
Yes, all over 7.
Okay, the sine of 35 all over 10.
Yes.
Okay, let's type that. Let's compare our answers after that. So it's sine arc. And then it's 17 multiplied by the sine of 35, close bracket, all over 10. It's 10?
Yes.
Close bracket. We get 77,
18.
Rounded off to two decimal places. I get shift, fix, 6, 2. Okay, 77,18 again.
Yes.
Come and check here. Does it make sense for this angle here to be 77? Can it be 77?
No.
It can be 77.
Yes.
So what is it then? Because we got 77 here. Are they lying?
They are lying. I getting an obtuse angle is greater than 90.
Yes.
Yeah. So like I feel like they are lying.
They are lying. So you tell them which D is actually going to be equal to 180 degrees minus 77,18. That one.
Yes.
This is true if it was an acute angle, that one, but sine. Yeah. Remember, if you look at this thing here, sine can be positive in two quadrants. It can be positive in the first quadrant again. It can also be positive in the what in the second quadrant. So here we're looking for sine, which is if you check this thing, this whole thing here is positive again. So if we get 77, it's fine if it was an acute angle, but since it's not an acute angle, we can't use that one. So we're going to say our answer. Like we should always remember that if the answer doesn't make sense, then we are dealing with sine. We can always go and say 180 minus answer. Yes. And then we get 102,82. Yeah, and then this is what we spoke about yesterday to say this is an ambiguous case. Ne? It has more than one solution. Yes. So because it has more than one solution, we could have had another ADE that looks like, which has an acute angle. It's possible something that looks like this for ADE. And then how do you say an ambiguous case? An ambiguous case, it's a learner is going to be given two sides and a given angle. So you're given two sides and an angle. The given angle is going to be opposite the shortest side. Agree? You see that? We have this one and then we also have this one. No? So we have 10 and then we also 17. The given angle is opposite 10 because 10 is the shortest side. Then you are going to have an ambiguous case.
Okay.
Yeah, and then here you can come and write which this one here is what. Can you say this one is comma? Oh, no,
Like
it's 102, comma
82
82.
degrees.
Yeah, and then you see, you are going to get like, it's not as if like there's anything wrong with this question, like everything is right. So you get 1 mark for this, you get 1 mark for this, you get 1 mark for this. Oh, a question like this one, they will just put an extra mark here to make it 5 or 4. Yeah, so that because they know most learners are going to stop here at 77. Checking which it doesn't make sense, like they just stop here, knowing which like it doesn't even make sense for us to have an obtuse angle which is 77.
Yes. Yeah.
Sure.
Today it makes sense, Mr. Yesterday,
or you didn't hear what was going on there. Jane, because you are here for the first time, does it also make sense?